Hello students, today's topic is meaning and characteristics of science. Myself Avishmita Pauthakur from Sociology Program, Faculty of Humanities and Social Science, Assam Downtown University. Meaning of science. Science is a body of systematic knowledge. Science is based on reason and evidences. A science is a branch of knowledge or study dealing with a body of facts or truths systematically arranged and showing the operations of general laws. Now let's discuss about the characteristics of science. Objectivity. Science accepts scientists to be objective. Objectivity implies an absence of bias in making or interpreting observation. Objectivity means interpreting the facts in such a way that our personal judgments are eliminated from them. A scientist should allow facts to speak for themselves. He should not attribute his personal views to them. So, this is called objectivity. And objectivity is one of the characteristic of science, which is free from biasness, personal likings and dislikings. Another one characteristic of science is verifiability. Science is based on verification principle. According to this principle, proposition or hypothesis or statement can be accepted as scientific only if it is verified or only if it is examined. Verification refers to any procedure regarded as establishing the truth of a proposition or hypothesis. So, this one is also a very important characteristic of science. Next characteristic of science is ethical neutrality. Science is ethically neutral. It only seeks knowledge. How this knowledge is to be used is determined by societal values. Knowledge can be put to differing uses. Knowledge about atomic energy can be used to cure diseases or to wage atomic welfare. So it should be neutral in nature. Value neutrality is closely connected with objectivity. This concept was first explored by Max Weber. He insisted that a scientist or researcher should not choose methods and interpret data in ways that favor his values and ideological stances. Next important characteristic is systematic exploration. A scientific research adopts a certain sequential procedure, an organized plan or design of research for collecting and analysis of facts about the problem under study. Generally, this plan includes a few scientific steps: formulation of hypothesis, collection of facts, analysis of facts, and scientific generalization and prediction. Next characteristic of science is reliability. Scientific knowledge must occur under the prescribed circumstances not once but repeatedly. It is producible under the circumstances stated anywhere and anytime. Conclusions based on causal recollections are not very reliable. So, science should be reliable. This is one of the another important characteristic of science. Then another characteristic is characteristic of science is precise. Scientific knowledge is precise. It is not vague like some literary writing. It should be precise in manner. For example, there is a sentence: every moment dies a man, every moment one is born. In good literature but not science. To be a good science, it should be written as in India according to the 2001 census. Every 10 seconds on the average dies a man. Every 4 seconds on the average an infant is born. So it should be very precise and clear. Another important characteristic of science is accuracy. Scientific knowledge is accurate. A physician, like a common man, will not say that the patient has slight temperature or having very high temperature, but after measuring with the help of thermometer, he will pronounce a specific temperature, for example 101 or 102, in that way. So it should be accurate. So accuracy simple means truth or correctness of a statement or describing things in exact words as they are without jumping to unwarranted conclusions. Another one characteristic of science is predictability. Scientists do not merely describe the phenomena being studied but also attempt to explain and predict as well. It is a typical social science that they have a far lower predictability compared to natural sciences. The most obvious reasons are the complexity of the subject matter and inadequacy at control, etc. So, in comparison to natural sciences, it is very difficult to predict in social sciences because social science basically studies about the society, about the human behavior. So we cannot predict about human behavior and human mind every time. But in natural science, things are a little bit different. For example, H2O means always same. So in that way, when two different chemicals will come together, the result will be always same. But in social science, that will be different, and because of that reason, we cannot always predict in social sciences. So, in conclusion, science is a systematic body of knowledge which is purely based on observation and investigation. It is a branch of knowledge or study dealing with a body of facts or truths systematically arranged and showing the operations of general laws. So, this is about all about this meaning of science and characteristics of science. Thank you so much.